Code Desk here, aka Arnav. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a birthday calculator. So it's quite simple. You have to import one module called datetime, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first you want to open up your text editor. I'm using Sublime Text for this. I'm just gonna create a new file. So Command N or Control N, depending on your operating system. Save it as, let's see here. Just gonna save this as project 1, no, um birthday calc, and I'm gonna save this on my desktop. Okay, boom. So first thing you want to do is import datetime. Oh shoot, I forgot. Oh, okay, I messed up. I will fix this and get right into it. Okay, so basically what I did was I forgot to add pi, so I adding pi again here and save it. Hopefully this works, and perfect. So I have birthday calculator pi. So first thing you want to do is import datetime. So you can do import datetime. Perfect. Now next thing you want to, so how this is going to work is going to be, so it's going to calculate how many days are remaining till your birthday. So it's going to do your birthday date minus today's date, and that's going to give you how many days there are till your birthday. So I'm going to create a variable called today, and it's going to be datetime dot day dot today. So this basically gives you today's date, and you want to do the birthday. So the birthday would be datetime dot date, and basically in this you're supposed to write your date, right? And your dates is going to be in the format year, month, date. Okay, so that format equals year, month, date. Right, so I can now do 2020. My birthday's in 2020. Okay, this is an example. 6/25. So 6 being June, day being month. I mean, this is a date, that's a month, and that's the year 2020. Next, pretty simple. We just have to do the variable days remaining. That means the days remaining until your birthday. So we can do days remaining, days remaining. Yep, days remaining is equal to birthday minus today. Don't know if I spelled remaining there correctly, but it's okay. Next you just want to print how many days to your birthday. So you can do print. You can basically just, and you have to convert into a string for it to work. Days remaining. Okay. So you can do that, and now if you save it and if you run it, it should say 23 days until my birthday, and that's the time. Just how many hours, but it doesn't show that. So basically, guys, that was it for today and today's birthday calculator. So yeah, basically it's super simple. It's probably like the shortest project I've done. Well, it's not even a project, practice. But anyways, guys, that was it for today, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.